no one's comfortable talking about their vagina. No one's, talk about your vagina, no one's comfortable doing that. Talk about an itchy vagina? Hell no. No one wants to say I have an itch in my vagina, So yeah, I think that you also have to be willing to let your guard down and realize, okay, there's something funny about talking about women's private parts,
Vaginal cancer is one of the rarest forms of gynecologic cancers. However, it is also very important to know the warning signs and symptoms. A simple visit to a physician with a pap smear at that visit, or at least a physical examination to inspect the area, may be enough to detect a lesion that can be then biopsied and then lead to the correct treatment. So it's very important to get it checked out. If you have irregular bleeding, pain in the vaginal area, bleeding after intercourse, all potential signs or symptoms of vaginal cancer.
There's nothing to be ashamed about looking down at your vagina or your vulva, asking for someone to check this out.
Vulvar cancer is an unusual one because it is typically a disease of very elderly women, typically women in their 70s or 80s. And it's a disease that has relatively few symptoms, or that the symptoms that they have are typically ignored. Older women typically are embarrassed a bit to talk about symptoms of the genital tract.
In terms of vulvar cancer, that little itch could be telling you something. It often presents with itching. If you have a persistent itch in your vagina or in your vulva, it's not a yeast infection and is not going away, you need to go for evaluation to see if there's anything there that could be a precancer or a cancer. You notice a mole, you can get melanomas and abnormal growths on your vagina and your vulva. You notice something that's new, a new change, it's worth getting evaluated for that.
It went from 2002 to 2012 for someone really knew what was going on with me. So I've been in pain for 10 years.
Don't be afraid to find out what's wrong, because if we can catch it early, we can cure it early. And you can go on and live a beautiful, happy, long life.